Have you ever wondered why the scenario of inverted duty tax structure arise? So let me explain you why. It happens when the input are procured at a higher tax rate and the outward supply is of lower tax rate, and the computation thereof has been changed throughout the period of time, and I'm going to discuss with you the new and old formula for that. So first of all, we need to understand the provision of the refund are covered by section 54 subsection 3 and the rule 89 subsection 5 of the GST rules. Now the situation arise and the of refund arise because of the doctrine of unjust enrichment. That means you cannot enrich yourself at the expense of the others. The refund is available when the ITC accumulates due to the tax rate on the input being higher than the tax rate on the output supply. But it does not include annual-rated supply or fully exempt supply. In such case, the refund is not available, and refund was also not available for the ITC on the input services and the capital goods. However, the input service is available post amendment. There is a change in the computation, not in the net ITC amount. Let's have a look of the formula. The maximum refund amount, which was before the 5th July 2022, because the notification number 14 upon 2022 has changed or made the amendment in the formula and amended the rule. Resultant, the calculation part has been changed. Let's understand. First of all, we need to understand what is the formula before and what is the formula as of now. So if you read the formula, which is the maximum amount includes turnover of inverted rated supply of goods multiplied by net ITC divided by total adjusted turnover minus tax payable on inverted rated supply. Simple. In the second formula, you will see the turnover in the first part is similar, no change. But the second part has the proportion of the net ITC divided by total ITC. In the previous case, the inverted supply tax payable on the inverted supply was not proportionate with the input services. That means let's understand this formula with the example. We have the example of the ABC manufacturers, and the output supply, which is inverted rated, is 5%, and the procurement of the raw material is of 12% or 18%, whatever you can consider. The input, that is raw material, is of 2 lakh, the ITC on the raw material is 2 lakh, and ITC on the input service is 50,000. Adjusted turnover, we have 20 lakh. Inverted turnover of inverted rated supply is 10 lakh, and tax payable on the inverted rated supply is 50,000. That is 5% of the inverted supply. Let's understand the refund amount from the formula before. That is the old formula. We have the refund amount of 50,000. Let's understand a new amount. If we calculate the new amount, you can see that the computation of the turnover base is 1 lakh, which is similar in both cases. But in case of the second part, the amount has been reduced because of the input services. The proportionate credit would be reduced. Resultant, the refund amount has been increased. So the new formula is covering the input and input services alike, unlike others. Thank you so much for listening.